How to cancel booking.com hotel reservation. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing about canceling the booking.com hotel reservation. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of booking.com application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now simply launch the application and from the home page, tap on bookings option, which is between the saved and my account option in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and here you will see the list of your bookings. Click on the three dots next to the booking you wish to cancel. Now in the menu that appears, select cancel booking, that is highlighted in red color. Now click on cancel entire booking, that is highlighted in red color. Click on it again. Click on yes, cancel the entire booking to confirm. Now select a reason for your cancellation. Then click on cancel my booking, that is highlighted in red color, and click on continue to cancel booking. Now you can see the indication that you have cancelled your entire booking. This is exactly how you can cancel a hotel reservation on booking.com. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.